How to add hashtags on TikTok easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add hashtags on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. So let's create a new TikTok so that we can add hashtags. So for that, click on this plus icon at the bottom. It will open up our TikTok camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just record a video for a few seconds. Okay, perfect. So now we have a TikTok video. I can add some effects now, filters, whatever I want to do. Click on this check that we're done with the editing. And now we're going to click on next. All right, so here it will take us where we can add hashtags. You can see we have the description, describe your post, and it says hashtags, mention videos. So you need to click on hashtag, and it will allow you to add as many hashtags as you want. Let's add hashtag for you. Let's say it's a funny video, so we can just like add funny hashtag 2022. Okay, hashtag TikTok. So you can just select different tags, and you can also explore more if you want, and you can also see how many views any hashtag has. Perfect. So you can just add as many as you want. Click on post and the hashtags will be added in your post on TikTok. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.